guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on the video and spending some time with your girl today. If you do not know who I am, my name is Crystal. Welcome to my channel. I'll jump right into the video. We're gonna be doing a video on all of my Amazon favorites. You guys always ask me what my favorites are. I already have a video up on this. It's just like my Amazon favorites, or it's just my lash favorites, but this is going to be Amazon lash favorites, so things that you can get on Prime. So let's jump right into it. The Fad Lash lashes. I only use these really for like spikes, but they are super soft and that's why I like them. So I'm gonna show you guys that really quick. Look how soft they are. They're so soft. So these are like my favorite Amazon lashes. Okay, so the second thing is going to be this 90-degree tweezer. This is literally like my favorite tweezer. I pair this with another tweezer. Sometimes I'll just use two of these. I buy these for all of my students. That's how much I believe in these tweezers. I really like the fact that they have like a grip here, and the best part is these are only like $10. So I really love these tweezers. This is going to be my glue shaker. I literally love this. It saved me so much time, and I feel like it really helps with my retention, and it really helps with when I'm lashing just being faster in general, because my lash is all shaken up and ready to go. So definitely get you one of these. It's not necessary, you can shake with your hand, but like I said, it does save you time, and it saves you time as far as like setting up. So my next Amazon favorite is going to be my lash fan. Of course it's pink, duh. So this is literally my favorite. You can change the speed. And y'all, shit, I almost couldn't breathe. Y'all can see how strong it is. It's moving my hair and my lashes, so it's super strong. I paired this with the fan that I have on my ring light, so I use both of these at the same time, and it just helps with drying speed. So a lot of techs don't know this, and I'm not sure why. This is something that you should definitely be taught in your training. Lash baths are so important. Like, they're like your #1 holy grail. So I sell lash shampoo, and I love these little Amazon containers. This is where I get my containers from. Pretty much I just order a lot of these, and then I just make lash shampoo and sell that to my clients. This has a really good pump on it. It's no shampoo in here for me to show you guys, but I have a white one, so I'm gonna grab that real quick and show you. So when I first started, I was using white bottles, but I have obviously changed over to pink. But I just want to show you how good the foam pump is and how like foamy the soap is. See that? So I love these bottles, and I've ordered so many bottles, and I still have yet to have like a bad shipment or anything like that. So definitely get you some of these off of Amazon. Sensitive tape. Honestly, I underestimated how important this is in the beginning. I do want to try to find like one with a thicker band, but what I do with this is I just pretty much cut it in half, because it is a 3M, so it is kind of thick. So I just cut them in half and use that. But this has saved my life when it comes to the tape back method. I'm gonna do an updated video on that, because I still do use EYEPADS. It really depends on the client. Every tech a 3M, so it is kind of thick, so I just cut them in half and use that. But this has saved my life when it comes to the tape back method. I'm gonna do an updated video on that, because I still do use EYEPADS. It really depends on the client. Every technique is different for each client, but I really like to use this whenever I have a client who wants really long lashes, because all you have to do is really apply pressure, and this tape comes right off. It doesn't pull none of the lashes, and I really love that. Pull none of the lashes, and I really love that. So even though we're kind of just in the middle of the video, I did just wanted to do a huge shout out to my lash tech. She is obviously literally the GOAT. It's my best friend. I love her so much. So if any of you guys are watching me and you're located in Florida, please check her out. She is in Jacksonville. She is amazing. She's so amazing that I'm definitely about to take a trip to get my lashes done soon. And I'm in North Carolina, so that tells y'all how good she is. I love her to death. I do love on her Instagram. She's amazing. So my next favorite Amazon find is the decals that everyone's using. These are just butterflies. I don't know if you guys can see that, but I'm going to insert some pictures of me using these decals and what they look like on my clients' lashes. So if you guys are ever searching or you want to know where most people are getting their decals from, you can definitely get them from Amazon and obviously other places, but they are on Amazon. It's just nail decals, but we're obviously using it for lash. That's kind of like a new thing that's coming around, so I'm doing videos and stuff on that. I know right now there is a video on my Instagram of me doing a glitter lash, but by the time this drops, there'll probably definitely be another updated video of me. So my next Amazon favorite is going to be iPads, and these particular iPads to be exact. I have tried other ones, but these are the ones that I always go back to. They're super sticky and they also give like just a good spa relaxing feel. I did stop using these and I was only using tape for about a couple of weeks, but then I realized when I was getting mine done that just probably doesn't, even though it doesn't hurt the client because I use the sensitive tape, it's still not very spa, and y'all know I'm all about the experience. I did stop using these and I was only using tape for about a couple of weeks, but then I realized when I was getting mine done that just probably doesn't, even though it doesn't hurt the client because I use the sensitive tape, it's still not very spa, and y'all know I'm all about the experience. It's going to be, what are these called? Lash wands or mascara wands or whatever you really want to call them, but they're pretty much used to brush out your lashes during your sets, and then after when you're cleaning them. I'll also give these to my clients as well for them to use whenever they are also give these to my clients love my chair. I love my chair. Anytime my tech comes in town, I'm like, yeah, we can just come to my studio and use my chair because that's how much I love it. It does have a little massage thing with it as well, and my clients really love that. Anytime it turns off, they're like, hey, turn the massage thing back on. So it's just a next step up. It's just to make the experience better. My last Amazon find, but not least, is going to be my ring light. I love my ring lights. Yeah, I'm obsessed. These are like my favorite thing ever. I've always wanted a ring light because I've always wanted to do YouTube. So when I was able to finally afford one, it was amazing. Even though I probably don't take the best care of them, they are the best, I feel like, when it comes to lashing. I haven't really tried any other lights. I have tried like lamps and stuff like that, but it wasn't nowhere near compared to the amount of light that my ring light gets. It's behind this right now, and I'm gonna turn it off so you guys can see how much of a difference it makes. Yeah, so definitely get you a ring light. They're amazing. It's just better for pictures, it's better for lighting when you're lashing. It's just really an investment for yourself. So that is all of my Amazon favorites for my lash check. So thank you guys for watching the video all the way to the end. Everything is going to be in the description. Any questions that you guys have, I will be answering. I try to reply to all of my comments, so just let me know if you guys have any questions. I really appreciate you guys for watching. Our channel is doing amazing, and I'm just so happy that you guys are here to be a part of it and support me on this journey. I really love lashing, but I love YouTube. I've always been obsessed with YouTube. I've been watching YouTube as long as I could remember. If you are a big YouTuber or like you like watching YouTube, I've probably been watching I have been watching YouTube since Aaliyah J like first stepped on the scene when she was like living, I'm not sure if she still lives in New York, but when she was living in New York, high school, middle school. So I've been watching YouTube probably for over 10 years now. I love YouTube, and I'm just so happy to be here on this platform, finally doing what I love. So I appreciate you guys so much for supporting my channel. All the likes, all the comments, all the subscribes, that really means a lot. I'm not just saying that, like from the bottom of my heart, you guys are really making my dreams come true. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Bye. See you next time.